So hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Roshin Sekaut and we all are student of Success Land and we all are discussing about G20. So please Ritik, you tell about G20 and what is G20?
So G20 is the group of 20 countries that represent 60% of population and 75% trade exchange and 85% GDP. Okay, Monica, you tell me, where is the G20 meeting held in India?
Yes, sure, Ritik. It was held in New Delhi, Bharat Mandapam International Exhibition Convention Center. So, my perspective, I want to tell you, as we all know, it was like 9 and 10 September, it was a meeting, and there are like 20 countries, president, prime minister came from their own countries for their solve many related to our world condition like economic conditions and export import and also related to the construction works, and these are conditions solved for they came. And I want to tell you, it is the very proud thing for our India that in India Modi's give presidency to be Brazil minister. So it was very proud things for our India, and our India relationship bond very well regarding to other countries. So now I want to ask you from Monica your side, that what do you know, which all countries came in the conference? Tell me.
Thank you for your question, Monica. So I want to tell you that G20 primarily started in 1999, and which are the country are involved in G20 right now. So it is the Brazil, Indonesia, India, South Africa, Saudi Arab, Japan, China, and many more countries. And I want to tell you one thing, that people always see the bad side of Modi ji, that he always tourist the new country, but now people can see the result. Many abroad country president come here and solving the problem of the economic growth of the world, and they are involved, they are talking to the Modi ji, and Modi ji presidency of the G20. And yeah, that's all about this G20. And I want to ask a question to Ritik, that what is the theme of G20 summit 2023?
And the theme of G20 is Vasudhaiva Kutum. It's mean the one earth, one family, and one future. Okay, Rohit, you have to tell us something about G20.
Okay. So thank you Ritik, give this question and I tell about my thought. In 1999, 26 August, G7 implement in Delhi. Okay, thank you Ritik.
So okay, Monica, you want to tell us something?
Yeah. So I want to tell you that we have already mentioned all the things to related G20. So it's a very proud of thing for our India that we achieved a success. So thank you to all listening to us.
And thank you so much.